Once upon a time.
Well, everybody, welcome to Best Life and Beyond. We're here at the Festival of Holidays at DCA. It has arrived. It's that time of year.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna be merry, and we're going to explore DCA during Christmas time, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, and we got a bunch of friends hanging out. We've got Adam and Lou, we've got Fresh Baked Disney, we've got Deacon's Universe, we've got, who else do we have?
Theme Park Obsession.
Theme Park Obsession's here. Everybody's here.
Jay, Pixar, Charlie.
Yeah. So,
it's like a family gathering.
Yeah, and we're doing kind of a food crawl together. We're enjoying the festival together, attacking it in a mass form because we feel it's like more efficient that way and more fun for us and you guys too.
And then we're gonna stay and hang around for some more festivities in DCA too.
Right.
You can tell Spence is hungry. That's like the main thing he's thinking about.
That's why
today.
I'm kind of rushing.
Love it.
The other point is though, make sure to go watch all the videos on all the channels that I mentioned to see all the perspectives because you're going to want to see, there's probably things in other videos that you're not going to see in ours and vice versa. So This should be very enjoyable and here we go. All right, the crawl has begun.
No pressure on whoever's eating and drinking right now, right?
No, not at all.
Okay, so this is what have I got? A churro toffee cold brew. Churro toffee cold brew.
All right, David, Fresh Baked is trying the churro coffee brew.
I'm pretty sure the topping is essentially the churro sugar and the toffee.
I mean,
so if you were to push the whole all of it, then you would get some.
It's good.
I was gonna say the question is it good? And yeah.
It's really sad.
I don't really feel like I've participated in the Festival of the Holidays yet. Now, Ian.
That's the real stuff. That's the good one.
Shrimp and grits for Ian.
This is the shrimp and grits.
I think he's been waiting for this and looking very forward to this moment.
I've been waiting since last January when the festival.
I knew it. I had a feeling.
Queso fundito. There you go. Everybody take a good look at that. These little bits right here, that's the good stuff on top.
That is the good stuff right there. Oh my gosh.
This is, I got this 2 years ago. Changed my life.
It's got a lot of left.
It's the shrimp and grits equivalent for David, you know?
The hardest part, oh, so good. Oh my God. Hardest part about having this is getting the proper cheese to chip ratio.
That's true, that's a big deal.
Because me, I love the cheese, I'll just eat the cheese.
Yeah.
And I got all these chips left over.
Yeah. Oh, they do give you a lot of
That's
chips.
legit right there.
That is really nice. They don't give you just a couple chips.
Yeah, you have to like...
I cannot stop.
It's like, well,
So what you're saying is it's really good, like it always has been, and you're
10
satisfied.
out of 10, Dave would eat it again.
Dave would eat it again, I think, yeah.
Fan-frickin-tastic.
That's it. There it is, kids.
Fun freaking tastic.
Fun.
Make sure you get some of that chorizo. And
Yeah, the chorizo, you got to get the chorizo in there.
That's what does it, huh?
Okay. Here we go. Oh, wow.
Are you in Flavor Town? He's like, gotta go.
Right?
He's out.
Wow.
Spence, I'm curious what you think.
Dude, sugar cheese is manna from heaven.
Theme Park Obsession Dylan, he's going for it. Messy, that's a good sign.
Oh. That is really good.
All right.
I want another one.
It smells really good. I can smell that thing.
It's such a, oh my God, such a big bite.
Yeah. That's a big old piece of
This is
turkey.
a bite, big bite.
Yeah. And it's fried, right?
Yeah, it's fried in the bread.
It's like a ciabatta.
Yeah, it actually has a lot of.
potato roll? Yeah.
Yeah, the bread has a lot of flavor in it as well, and I don't know, everything works together really nicely. The sauce, though, I don't know what the sauce is.
Well, you got
it's a
some kind of
cranberry
slaw.
Oh, the cranberry sauce.
Cranberry.
Yeah.
Ah.
Really, really good.
Look over here. What is that?
Amazing. Yeah, I love it. With the beef pot roast, what can anybody describe this?
Went to the...
Just beef pot roast on a French roll with horseradish sauce.
Pixar Charlie, there he goes.
It looks like a very soft roll, too.
Oh my gosh. It's good. The meat is tender.
Yeah.
It's awesome. The roll is good. You got anything in my mustache?
Well, it's all good.
Goodness.
Yeah, that's what you got. That's a good
I was
thing.
gonna save it for later, but you
Ain't
know.
nothing wrong with a little extra food in the stash.
I love it. It's good. The horseradish. It's not overpowering either for some reason.
So horseradish scampi, you gotta go light on that usually.
Yeah.
So Ian got the chicken from Grandma's recipes. I was very intrigued by this.
It's cauliflower.
Smells fantastic.
Curry, right? Curry cauliflower. You're a brave man. I don't think I could do that.
I don't know now.
No.
I could do that with a little naan bread. It would be perfect.
Oh, look at Ian just happily.
Oh yeah,
It wouldn't make my cut.
This is great.
that's
Look
two
how happy he
two
is.
for two for Ian right there.
He
Yeah,
knows what he likes.
yeah.
I looked at me and said, okay, I want that.
Yeah.
Mommy,
He's a man who knows what he likes.
I'm gonna tell you a story.
I'm gonna sit down by the fire.
Yeah.
Festival of
Gather round.
gather around everyone.
Where are we? Grandma's wrestling.
It is perfect. It's from yeah.
Where are we exactly?
Once upon a time, there was a Navidad punch with simply lemonade or limeade, apple juice, and pomegranate premium syrup.
Wow.
And, boys and girls, it was non-alcoholic.
Oh my.
Wow.
This was amazing. I'm so
The-
excited. And you could.
Now, how does it taste?
Let's have.
Let's see, let's see.
I spilled it everywhere. Actually, that's better than I thought it was going to be.
That's really, really good.
That is really
I
refreshing.
can drink this hard.
I could actually. Yeah, this is amazing. I really
You put a
like
little
it.
non-alcoholic in there?
A little naan, yeah.
If you got something.
This is not bad. Now I want to know how the neon green cherry tastes.
Look at my sink.
What is that?
David's gave up. It was like, you know what? It's just gonna go
That's been
chill
melting
here.
for a while.
It's been sitting there. And I went for the glow cube. You can get that for like an extra $5.50.
Yeah, you
Pay
can't.
$5 for that?
Yeah, I'm a sucker for these.
Are a
These are, you know,
And you
man.
cannot use a tab for those. You gotta pay
Can I
cash.
use a tab?
Yeah.
It's an impulse buy. They always get me with these darn glow cubes.
Yep.
What do I do with them? Nothing.
A twist on tradition. This is the beef Wellington serve.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
And I don't know what. Does anybody know what this is?
Puff pastry, I
Yeah,
think?
the puff pastry.
You know,
I'm gonna try
Spencer
that
thought it
tonight.
was a giant cookie.
It does look like a
From
cookie.
afar, the picture.
Spencer was convinced it was
So you can see it's very flaky inside.
Yeah.
Oh, that tender flaky crust.
Ooh.
What's that from? I don't know what it says.
Wow. You know what?
Okay.
This by itself is really, really good.
So boys and girls.
I'm gonna try that again.
It does look good. It does look good.
All right, he's going for the core.
Let's see.
That's really good.
Everything blends together really nicely.
Yeah. These are like the Russian.
So Reuben potatoes with Russian dressing.
Russian dressing.
And
Is that
ham or spam?
That's ham.
All right,
You need
Dylan's
to-
gonna.
So I'm trying to get everything.
You need to have an
Yeah.
everything bite. That's a slogan right there. You can separate the top from the rest.
There's a lot of interesting flavors on it.
Yeah.
Really?
Weird.
I don't think it's bad at all.
but you don't have a version of trout, right?
I like sauerkraut.
So do I.
So this is good, but there is a lot more.
What do they call this again?
Shepherd's pie.
But it's upside down
Which
shepherd's
I
pie.
love.
That's like needs to let it be known that it is upside down.
Well, yeah.
It is upside
That's an
down.
important factor.
Don't
guess.
let that be overlooked.
I mean, but what's right side up look like?
The
Is it?
potatoes will
Oh,
be
the
on top.
potatoes are, yeah, and they're kind of like a little bit like cooked on. I think I know what you're talking about. Okay, well, either way. So is it like Beyond Burger or whatever that is?
Yeah, I don't know if this is Beyond,
Beyond
or
Meat?
I believe this
what's
whole
the other
dish is
one?
vegan.
Okay, I'm gonna do an
Possible,
everything
yeah.
bite because oh, poor Mickey. And it's also the same.
Well, you
puff
did the ear. That's
pastry.
okay. It's
Okay, here goes.
Oh, it's the same bread?
I like it.
yeah.
It's actually really good. It doesn't. It actually.
Nice.
I hope you recorded it.
I don't think he had me.
Does it look impossible, or does it taste impossible?
It was a very serious
He's
question.
so
Yeah.
concerned.
Yeah.
No, it's actually really good. It tastes like meat, like beef.
They've been
I'm
killing it with the
surprised.
vegan dishes here.
You should try
Yeah, I
it.
agree.
It
The
tastes
vegan
better
stuff
than
has
it
been
looks.
A1.
If you didn't tell me, I would know
The
on some of
banh
those.
mi.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, it was.
Honestly, it tastes better than it looks. I would eat this again.
All right.
But I'm not going to eat the whole thing.
All right, we're currently waiting for Viva Navidad, one of the best shows in the parks in general. We look forward to this every year because we love Donald too. Wow, wow, high speed. So we are at Mater's, and this is going to be like almost a full takeover. There's like 6 of us, and we're all going to ride this together. Oh! Everybody's searching out their tractor. It looks like Dave and Ian are going over there. Katie's going here. Oh. What's left? What's left? Okay, I'm going over here. Better turn my hat backwards because this gets serious. A lot of whip. Dylan! Whoa! Hi, Katie. There's David. Whoa! Woo! That was wild.
I was whipping around.
There's no gift shop at exit.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Ian.
No gift shop here.
All you get is
dang
a
it.
sweet
I wanted a
dance.
Mater shirt. Where's the...
Hashtag World Collide.
All right, we're here for the tree lighting. Everybody's... You guys ready?
Anybody else that wants to vlog this?
I'm going to just offer... Hey, guys, do you want...
I'll put it on my Instagram. I don't vlog.
Is Max here too? Oh, Max is here too.
1, 2, 3.
With that, you're taking off?
Well, wives and babies. But thank you guys for spending this day with me.
We had a blast. This was so fun.
Wonderful time.
I never want to do anything else besides hanging out at Disneyland with you guys.
Yeah.
Personally,
More of this, please. All you guys, let's do this a lot more.
Best idea we've had in
I'm telling you,
Only took a couple years.
this isn't the last time you will see this. We're sad to see you go, David.
We'll do more, I promise.
Oh, yeah, we will.
Fresh baked crew.
Absolutely. All right, so I thought I'd show you the tree with a little more darkness. There we go. And it looks great, all the huge ornaments. So cool. There's Santa in his sleigh, about to take to the Hollywood skies right in front of the El Capitan Theater. There he is. Okay, we wandered over to Soarin' over here, and look, all the little, they're like sconces almost, right, Charlie? Or they're like...
I would think so.
Look how pretty these are. I love it back here.
So nice.
And they're like colorful fireflies.
Yes.
Look at, there's the fireflies. Look. It's blinking.
Oh, up there in the green. I see them, and then the blue ones. Yeah, they're just all different color fireflies.
They're so pretty.
Yeah.
Because I can imagine that you
Love them.
And it's like the darkest part of DCA, so it makes it really cool over here.
So beautiful.
Right there he is, the Grizzly River Run Bear. Ho, ho, ho. That's right. And you know, previously he was holding a jack-o'-lantern, and when they took it down, they just left the handle in his hand, but now the handle has a lantern attached to it. All right, getting a little closer to Redwood Creek, and the lights, the fireflies are becoming very abundant. And we think Santa's in here. Well, we know Santa's in here. I think we're gonna go try to find him and see what's going on. All right, going through the big redwood. She's a fine tree.
It's petrified.
Is it?
It's petrified. Feel it?
Rock on, dude.
Yeah, see?
Yeah. Ian is leading us to the Jingle Bridge. Katie, are you ready?
To not fall and eat it on my face
Yeah, if you guys saw last year's video.
Are you sure it was actually the Jingle Bridge?
Oh, yes.
couldn't forget.
I don't know. I don't forget things like that.
You can't get that image out of your head of me falling flat on my face.
Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, make it jingle.
There's how you do it.
I can hear him jingling.
We got it!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Nice joke.
That was rough.
All right.
Woo, out of breath.
That was my workout for the day.
There we go.
It's Jingle Charlie. Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes.
That's how you do
We're
it.
even jingling the structure.
Yeah, look at the lights up there.
The lights were...
The whole structure was jingling. Oh, man. Wait, was that an earthquake?
Oh boy.
Does it wiggle back and forth?
Yeah, look at. Yeah, Ian's making it work. The underside of the jingle bridge is.
The underbelly.
Yeah.
Bells will be ringing.
Oh my gosh, Katie.
Make them jingle!
Now that's how you do it. And look, there's Santa. It's hard to get a shot in there, but there he is. All right, Ian's leaving us. He's got to go back to Disneyland, but you know what? I respect you for that.
I just need to soak it in.
All right, buddy.
See you guys.
See you, Ian. All right, we wandered over to Cars Land. Hello, snowman car.
The snowman car.
Yeah, like he's up to something.
I love this back here. I feel like it was just yesterday it was Halloween here.
I know.
Like, what happened? How did that happen so quickly that it's
We
so
went from
beautiful.
orange cone fang faces to
Right. To
very
beautiful wreaths of
festive garland wreaths with
tires and
Yes.
other car essentials.
yeah, Tow Mater, Santa Tow Mater. He's got his own tree right here. Little spark plug as the star on top. Very appropriate. A cozy cone tree, obviously made up of orange cones, yes. And an orange star on top. Some cone stars. All sorts of garlands looking really good with all the orange accoutrements. I look at the Route 66 tree. That's really cool.
Christmas lights or brake lights?
Oh, the lights are brake lights, Charlie noticed. That is cool. I was wondering what those were. Even over at Luigi's, they've got their own version of a Christmas tree. It's just in the form of a big tire stack. Charlie pointed out, yes, all the garlands are air filters, and a touch that I always appreciate and I forgot, but Charlie made me remember, the wrench snowflakes.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful. Kalikimaka is a wise way.
Well, put the spirit of Christmas in you.